print these mini skis, we'll need some basic modeling skills since I couldn't find a model online. As a Blender fan, I first need to measure my shoe to figure out the right size for the skis. My shoe is roughly 320mm long and 120mm wide. Since I understand how skis works, we need to add a few specific features. First, let's import a shoe model and rescale it to the proper size. Next, we'll create a simple shape under the shoe and use modifiers to bend it. I know some Blender experts might be offended by my workflow since I am an amateur, but let's see if it works. For the material, we are using the Filament PET-G Lite, where a light stands for affordable price. You can find the link and price in the description. I'm choosing PET-G because it's durable and flexible, which help us to get the right feel for the ski. Back to the modeling. I know we need sharp edges on the sides for grip and maybe some strips underneath for better control. I also adding a feature from cross-country skis, grooves in the middle that act like a one-way valve. This means they will glide forward easily, but if we try to go backwards or walk up the hill, they will have a better grip. You will see how it looks when we are finished. I also add some texture on the top so the shoes aren't slippery, and back holder for the heel, and front mounts for adjustable straps. The ski is about 15mm thick. I'm printing it on the Creality K2 Plus. It's a big printer, so I can print it sideways. This way we get a smooth bottom surface with the layers running the length of the ski for strength. I'm using 3 walls with the outer wall set to 0.8mm wide instead of 0.45mm. With a 15% grit infill, one ski weighs 367 grams without supports. Let's send it to the printer. As you can see in the time-lapse, I used supports for the critical regions, but I didn't think it through perfectly while modeling. I could have designed the shape to be more 3D printed friendly. But I really believe that K2 Plus could handle it. Well, now we have to use our special tool to melt down those hanging layers. Unfortunately, I ran out of PET-G Lite on the spool, so I finished it off with Spectrum PET-G Premium in Iceland Blue. It was only 10mm of the print, but I love the color so much I think I'll print a pair for my wife. I'm using the front straps to hold my shoes, but the back ones are optional. If the ankle can move, it prevents you from falling forward and makes it easier to walk. Now it's time for a real-life test. Before I went into ridiculous mode, I checked the basics. Do they slide on snow? Yes. Is stopping possible? Yes. Is turning achievable? Yes. They didn't break at home, so let's head to the mountains. In Poland right now it's minus 10 degrees Celsius with plenty of snow and a bit of sun. Ideal weather for mini skis. Okay, so the time has come to test our mini skis. Let's go to this small hill and let's check it out if they're gonna work or they're gonna break. Okay, there's a lot of stones here, so I cannot go any further. It's not because I'm scared, it's just because we want to test those skis a little bit more than break it on the first try. A small disclaimer, I don't have too much experience with the skis, but I have a little bit with the roller blades. Maybe it will be enough to not die today. Here goes nothing.
But this is cool. So down the hill they work. This is cool. But let's try on a little bit more flat surface. I can see that walking on a like in the V shape, like cross-country skis, it works the best because on the hills it doesn't really work as I expected. Basically, main reason to make these mini skis was just right now. I can walk with my dogs and I can walk, and then I can go back. Because as you can see, the dogs are going on the sideways all the time. And with the long skis, it's a problem because once they go to the side, I'm falling down. Most of the time, going uphill, they are slow. But once we're going down, they're running. Go, 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 prosto. No, szybciutko, szybciutko. Gdzie jest pancia? Do panci. Do panci, do panci. Szybciutko, szybciutko. Szybciutko! Szybciutko, brawo! Brawo! Dawaj, Cynthia, dawaj! Dawaj, dawaj! Dawaj, Sima, dawaj! Super! Super! No jest dobry piesek, szybciutko! They're so cool! So we can steer to the left and to the right, and even we can stop. So it's a pretty big success, I think. They didn't break, so I really like them.
Let's check them after that short trip. They didn't break, and the bottom surface is still clean even after hitting a few stones. The straps stayed in place. I have to say, PET-G Lite did a wonderful job. It was such a joyful experience because it worked on the first try. I had so much fun going down the road with my dog that I can't wait to go again. If you liked that video, you know what to do. You can find the 3D model and the filaments in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.
Oh, this is cool.